Now we're going to try something called a hooked bow. And basically what a hooked bow is you play two notes on one bow, like on one down bow or one up bow. And the idea is to keep the bow moving. And what I'm doing is kind of reiterating every time I have a new note. So I can do, for instance, a scale. So I actually do stop the bow a little bit in between two notes, but I keep it on a down, like two notes on a down bow, two notes on an up bow. So let's play this again. Now you notice I don't really have to pull too hard to get the second note to speak. Remember, all you need to do is have a stop bow and then pull. You don't have to pull any harder than that in order for it to speak nicely. So let's try that one more time, the G major scale. So we can play that a little bit faster on the hooked bows. And come down. And that's your hooked bow.